My dear children,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
how
Good
are you all?
afternoon, ma'am.
Fine,
Fine,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah. So in the last class, we learned about the properties of plastic and the uses of plastic, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Devika, Devika, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you tell me the certain uses of plastic? Yeah.
Hmm?
Uses of plastic. Do you remember?
Ma'am, you are asking
Yes, ma'am.
plastic properties.
No. Uses. We learned that in healthcare industry, then microwave oven like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
ma'am.
Devika, do you remember? Okay, Alna. Yeah, can
Ma'am,
you tell me the uses of plastic?
ma'am, healthcare industry,
Yeah, in healthcare industry.
packing of tablets,
Yeah, packaging of tablets. Then,
threads for using stitching,
yeah, okay.
syringes, doctors, gloves, and number of medical industries.
Okay, fine. Then next use. Okay, Shivanya, can you tell me any use of this plastic?
Ma'am, special plastic cookware used in microwave
Yeah,
ovens for
microwave
cooking
ovens.
food.
Then,
In the oven, the heat cooks the food but does not affect the
yeah, okay.
plastic vessel.
Which is the material for non-stick pans?
Ma'am, Teflon.
Yeah, very good.
Teflon.
Teflon. Then today we are going to learn the plastic and environment. Okay, we all
Yes,
are
ma'am.
going to market, right? We
Yes, ma'am.
usually get things wrapped in plastic or packed in polythene bags. Ultimately, it way to garbage, right?
Ma'am.
Yeah. The disposal of a plastic is a major problem. Why this disposal of a plastic is a major problem?
Ma'am,
It can lead to
because air
pollution,
pollution,
soil
air
pollution.
pollution,
Yeah, it causes
wastage.
pollution. Why can't we decompose them? Why? Why this
Ma'am,
plastic
it is
can't be
bad for
decomposed?
the.
Yeah,
This is
Ma'am, it
bad
is not
for the
good for the
environment.
earth.
Ma'am,
yeah,
for,
Bad
not
for
good
the
for the
environment.
earth. That's right. Why can't we
ma'am,
able
when
to
we are
decompose them? Yeah,
if we are
Ma'am, because
burning
a
it,
plastic.
some chemical reaction will be there, and the smoke will be there.
yeah. The main answer is that it cannot be easily
Burn.
decomposed. Okay, it
Decomposed.
cannot be easily decomposed. So there are two types of substances. Okay, there are two types of substances are decomposed easily. They are known as biodegradable, and there are other types of substance. They are known as
No.
non-biodegradable. I will share the screen for you. Is this clear for you? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Before that, this way the disposal of plastic take place. Okay. No proper disposal of plastic take place because it cannot be easily decomposed. So there are two types of substances based on that: biodegradable and non-biodegradable. There are two types of substances. First one biodegradable, then the next one non-biodegradable. Okay, a material which gets easily decomposed, or a material which gets decomposed through natural processes, okay, through natural processes such as action by bacteria, it is called biodegradable. Okay, the plants or dead plants, animals, they all are decomposed through this way. Okay, through natural process such as the action by bacteria. But in this case of other substances, that is a material which is not easily decomposed by the natural processes, it is known as non biodegradable. So here it is biodegradable, that is a material which gets decomposed through natural processes such as action by bacteria. It is called biodegradable, and a material which is not easily decomposed by natural process, it is termed as non-biodegradable. This plastic, it is a non-biodegradable substance. That's why the disposal of plastic is a major problem. Prarthana,
Yes, ma'am.
can you read this slide once again?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Biodegradable and non-biodegradable. A
Okay.
material which gets decomposed through natural processes such as action by bacteria is called biodegradable.
Okay.
A material which is not easily decomposed by natural processes is termed non-biodegradable. Plastic is a non-biodegradable substance.
Okay, clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone clear? Understood?
1 minute.
Yeah,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
okay, fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, 1
Krishnaveni?
minute, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Krishnaveni?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you read the slide once again?
Okay, ma'am. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable.
Yeah.
A material which gets decomposed through natural processes such as action by bacteria is called biodegradable. A
Okay.
material which is not easily decomposed by natural processes is termed non-biodegradable.
Okay.
Plastic is a non-biodegradable substance.
Okay, fine. Then look at this table. It's also in your textbook, page number 38. Okay.
Ma'am,
Just
can you
look.
show that last slide?
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you show last slide?
Yeah. Not finished?
Ma'am, last point.
Okay, okay, fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then look at this table. No need to write this table. Okay. It's in your textbook, page number 38. Look here. There are different types of wastes and the approximate time taken to decompose or degenerate. Then the nature of material. First one, Ashmit. Ashmit, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you read this first one?
Ma'am, this whole table.
Yeah, table. First one.
Peels of vegetable and fruits, leftover food stuff, etc.
Yeah. How much time taken?
1 to 2 weeks.
Yeah, 1 to 2 weeks, and it is biodegradable, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then the next one, paper. It is 10 to 30 days, and it is
biodegradable.
biodegradable. The next one, cotton cloth.
Cotton cloth.
Approximate time taken 2 to 5
To
months,
5 months.
and it is also biodegradable.
Good.
Then next one, wood, 10 to 15 years,
10 years.
but it is biodegradable. The next one, woolen clothes, it's about a year, biodegradable. Then next one, tin, aluminium and other metal cans,
Other metal
100 to 500
100 to
years,
500 years.
it's also
Non-
non-biodegradable. And the
biodegradable.
last one, plastic bags, several years, but it is always non-biodegradable. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So we understood from the table that plastic is a material or a substance that is non-biodegradable. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes, ma'am.
before going into the environmental pollution and like that, I will show you a video. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
please carefully watch that video. Is this video and audio clear for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What did you understand from this video, Mishal?
Ma'am, due to plastic, the whole world is in a problem
Yeah,
of
very good.
pollution, and the things we do, water we drink is contain plastics.
Yeah, okay. Then what about Midun? What did you understand? Yeah, Midun. Midun, can you hear me? Okay, wait. Gopi Krishna, what did you understand from the video?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I'm on my net.
Yeah, Midun. Okay. Okay, wait, Gopi Krishna. Midun?
Ma'am,
Yeah. What did you understand from that video?
due to plastic, the world is in a danger.
Yeah. Everyone, do you get that point, right? Plastic
Yes, ma'am.
causes
Yes.
environmental pollution, right?
Yes.
So
ma'am.
then we are going to learn about that plastic and environment, how this plastic affects the environment. Okay. So plastic and environment. Plastic takes several years to decompose. That we see in that table, right? It is not environment friendly. Okay. It is not environment friendly. Plastic causes environmental pollution. Okay. Plastic causes environmental pollution. On the disposal of this plastic on soil or water, it causes soil pollution, water pollution, etc. And it is also dangerous to the living creatures in this environment, right? So this plastic takes several years to decompose. It is not environment friendly. Okay. Then the plastic causes environmental pollution. Okay. Plastic causes environmental pollution. Sarhad, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you read this slide once again?
Plastics and the environment.
Okay.
Plastics take several years to decompose.
Okay.
It is not environment friendly.
Yeah.
Plastic causes environmental pollution.
Pollution. Okay. Shall I move to next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Finished, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah. Then this is in the case of soil and water. Okay. Then
Okay, ma'am.
the burning process. What will happen when we burn this plastic?
Pollution.
Ma'am,
Yeah, it's also
Pollution.
causes air pollution, right?
Air pollution.
Yeah. So the burning process in the synthetic material is quite slow and does not get completely burnt easily. Yeah. The burning process in the synthetic material including this plastic is quite slow and does not get completely burnt easily. That's the first factor. Then the next one, if it burns or burning, it releases lot of poisonous fumes into the atmosphere and causes air pollution. Okay.
Ma'am.
So the burning process in this synthetic material or the plastic is quite slow and does not get completely burnt easily. That's the first factor. And on burning, it releases lot of poisonous fumes into the atmosphere and causing air pollution. Okay. So we can say that this plastic is not environmental friendly. It causes environmental pollution, soil pollution, water pollution, and now this air pollution. And it is also dangerous to plants, animals, and all the living beings in this environment. Okay, clear?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, if we humans are breathing this while burning,
Yeah.
it will lead to health
Ma'am,
issues.
can you show that
Yeah.
slide?
Yeah, I will show it once again. The breathing of this poisonous air
Ma'am,
also
it
causes,
will, ma'am, it can be cancer something
yeah,
while
some-
breathing.
yeah, that's right. Certain poisonous gases causes dangerous diseases, even like cancer too. So it is very dangerous. Thomas, are you there? Thomas, Evelyn, Abhishek, Alan. Yeah, all of you switch on your cameras. Thomas, can you hear me? No? Abhishek? Abhishek, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please read this slide.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Burning process in synthetic materials is quite low and does not get completely burnt easily. On burning, it releases lot of poisonous fumes into the atmosphere, causing air pollution.
Causing air pollution, and these fumes are dangerous to all the living creatures. Okay, shall I move to next one?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Finished, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. Then we are going to learn how these plastics affect animals, especially cattle. Look at these images. What can you see?
Ma'am,
And they are eating the plastics.
Yeah, the
and the
cattle are
plastic.
swallowing plastic, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
the
ma'am.
animals, especially cows, they swallow materials like polythene bags and wrappers of food. Okay, wrappers of food. Animals, especially cows and the cattle, dog, etc. They swallow materials like polythene bags and the wrappers of food. And this plastic materials chokes the respiratory system. They blocks the respiratory system of animals and forms, not performs, I'm sorry. Okay, forms a lining in the stomach and can be the cause of their death. Okay, so it's too dangerous. Plastic materials chokes the respiratory system of animals, forms a lining in the stomach and can be the cause of their death. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, Evelyn,
That last paragraph, can you explain that? Plastic materials choke.
yeah, when they swallow these plastic materials, it blocks their respiratory system of animals. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, then and it causes a lining in the stomach. With these plastic materials, it forms a lining in the stomach and can be the cause for their death.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, plastic is not an edible material, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so it blocks their respiratory system and they problems in the stomach too and can be the cause of their death. Okay, Evelyn. Evelyn. No. Alina. Alina, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please read the slide.
Animals, especially cows, swallow the
Yeah.
materials like bags and
Polythene. Polythene bags. Devika.
Ma'am.
Read these 2 points once again.
Animals, especially cows, swallow materials like polythene bags and wrappers of food.
Yeah.
Plastic materials choke the respiratory system of animals, forms a lining in the stomach, and can be the cause of their
death, right? Yeah. And in that video, do you see that certain aquatic animals?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes.
they
Animals
dead
and
due
all.
to this plastic, right?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Then I will show you an animated video, okay? Please carefully watch
Okay,
and
ma'am.
tell me what did you understand from that video. Okay.
Ma'am, the
Okay.
video is stuck sometimes. It's coming slowly. Video.
Yeah, Midun?
Ma'am, the video is stuck when you're playing it. It's coming
No, ma'am.
slowly.
Everyone,
No,
what
ma'am.
about
No,
others?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Midun, it's due to some network problem there.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, everyone watched that video?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, it's very sad, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it symbolically represented that this plastic causes
Damages to the
damages to the
Marine
aquatic
animals.
system or the living creatures in the oceans, right?
oceans.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, right. Then we are going to check other hazards due to this plastic. Look here. The poly bags or the polythene bags carelessly thrown are responsible for clogging the drains. Don't you see that in our neighborhood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yes, obviously. The poly bags carelessly thrown are responsible for clogging these drains. This is another danger of this plastic, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So, Alana, can you read this point once again?
Ma'am, polybags carelessly thrown are responsible for clogging the drains.
Yeah, for clogging the drains. So these all are the hazards or the dangers of this plastic material.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
ma'am, clogging means blocking now.
yeah,
Blocking.
right. Yeah, blocking of drains. Yeah, so these all are the bad effects of this plastic or demerits of this plastic. So all of you, please suggest certain ways to reduce this pollution due to plastic.
Okay, ma'am.
Prarthana, give me 1 point.
Ma'am, today which we studied, I have to say.
Yeah,
Ma'am, I have to say my own words point or which we
yeah,
studied today.
point by your own. How to reduce this pollution by plastic or how
Ma'am,
to avoid this plastic. Okay.
ma'am, we should not throw plastic bags,
Yeah,
bottles,
we should not
covers
throw
and all.
plastic. Okay, fine. Shivanya, what about you?
Ma'am, when we go to shops and all, instead of plastic bags, we can use paper bags and
Yeah,
cloth
use
bags,
paper
etc.
bags or cloth bags. That's a good suggestion. Then what about Gopi Krishna?
Ma'am, we should recycle plastic.
Yeah, recycle plastic. Very good point. Mishal? Any points?
Ma'am, we should not use plastics, bottles and all.
Yeah, okay. Then any other points?
Ma'am, we can stop burning plastic.
Yeah, stop burning plastic. Then I will show you certain suggestions to reduce the use of plastic. Okay, look here. suggestions to reduce plastic. First one, avoid the use of plastic as far as possible. Avoid the use of plastic as far as possible. That's the first point. Then second one, as Shivanya suggested, make use of bags made of cotton or jute when you go for shopping, or even paper bags. Okay. Then the next one, do not throw plastic bags in the water bodies or on the road. Then the biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste should be collected separately and disposed of separately. Okay. Then better to recycle plastic waste. Thermoplastics can be recycled, right? That we learned. It can be
Yes, ma'am.
softened or melted easily on heating, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
better to recycle plastic waste. And for the next class, all of you suggest certain ways to reduce plastic. You should write it in your notebook, okay?
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
we should not reuse plastic bottles. It is not good for our health.
Not about all plastic, okay?
Yeah, some
Certain
plastic
plastic that we can reuse, right? Yeah. So that's about these suggestions, and I need more suggestions from you for the next class, okay? Then we are using
ma'am.
this 4R principle, okay?
Ma'am, can you show
4R.
the last slide?
I will show that slide once again. Wait. 4R principle for avoid the use of plastic. They are reduce, reuse, recycle, and recover. Okay. 4R principle.
Okay, ma'am.
Which are that?
Reduce,
Reduce,
reuse, recycle, recover.
Yeah, that's it. Reduce, reuse, recycle, and recover.
Recycle and
4R principle. Okay. Then,
okay, ma'am.
yeah, this is the slide. You please write it. And I need more suggestions to reduce this plastic. Okay. You
Okay,
just
ma'am.
write it.
Okay,
Let me
ma'am.
take you. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Any
notes
doubt?
of this chapter.
I can't hear.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
note of
notes
the
can you show
chapter.
that slide?
Notes of this chapter.
Yeah, I will send it daily basis.
Ma'am, but questions are not there.
The exercise questions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I will send it today or this week itself. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
After this
Okay,
chapter.
ma'am.
Yeah, I will show the screen once again. Those who not write the notes, please do complete it. And let me take your attendance. Ellen Joy.
Or
Ellen?
that, ma'am.
Okay. Elena Jinsen.
Present, ma'am.
Alina Verghese. No? Yeah, Alina is there. Okay. Elena John.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
Anlia Sabu.
Yes, ma'am, she's there.
Ashmit. Yeah, Ashmit is there. Then Devika.
Yes, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Absent. Abhinav. Absent.
No, ma'am, he's present.
Abhinav. Who present?
Ma'am, Abhinav is present.
Okay, okay. Evelyn present. Fatimat Shasa.
Yes, ma'am.
Gobi Krishna. Yeah. Jeevan. No. Gino. Krishnaveni present. Right? Yeah.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Midun present.
Present.
Okay. Mishal present. Abhishek present.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Prarthana present. Raulgar Roy. Yeah.
No, yes, ma'am, he's present.
Yeah. Safa.
No, ma'am.
No. Sarhad.
Ma'am, he was there this much time, but now he's not there.
Okay, okay. Shankari Anu.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Shivanya present. Okay. Shivanand.
No, ma'am, absent.
Okay. Steve.
Absent, ma'am.
Thomas present. Tia.
Yes, ma'am, she's present.
Varada.
No, ma'am, absent.
Absent. And Adnan. He's also present, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, this
Yeah.
finished.
Finished?
Ma'am, this chapter is finished.
Yeah, okay, fine. So, for the next class, all of you, please do some suggestions to reduce plastic. That should be in your notebook. And
Okay,
I will
ma'am.
send the notes and the exercises in this week itself, okay?
Okay,
And
ma'am.
try
Okay,
to
ma'am.
learn this chapter for your MCQ 3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. So study well.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
See you next class.